Okay, so I'm here in the bathroom. We got the balsamic vinegar, Icewood cup, and Great Value or Walmart's version of seltzer water. So first is this. Squeeze it. I don't know how much you're gonna put, but people say it's disgusting smell. I don't think so. We'll do that. It's so pungent. Open this up. But one hand one is gonna be funny. Let me put this down. Okay, we open it up. Looks like Coke. Let's see if I mix it. Boy, it does look like Coke. Even has a fuzz and everything. Okay, that's enough. Oh, really? Look how dark that is. You're gonna flip around the camera and get it. Okay. Bottoms up. Tastes like Coke. We'll see. It does. It's a little pungent, but it does. It does taste like Coke. That's amazing. Wow. Sorry. Okay. Gotta be slow drinking it. Yeah. It tastes like it. You just gotta put more water. Okay. Maybe I put more water. Tastes good. So I could drink the rest of it. Gone. Not bad. Yeah, I think it tastes like Coke. You just gotta get it right. It's an alternative, healthy version of soda if you want. Technically, it is seltzer water or club soda with balsamic vinegar. It's pretty good. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate it. Catch you guys later.